In this next example, we'll be solving by completing the square. So we have 5x squared minus 4x plus 3 equals 8. So I've already started with the area model, and I went ahead and put in 5x squared, the quadratic term, in the upper left-hand corner. But there's some trouble here because I know this is supposed to be a square, which means whatever multiplies here and here to get 5x squared, it's got to be the same number, and it's kind of difficult to, so 5 isn't a perfect square. It really would be nice if it was a 4 like before, but it's not. So, life lesson again. When life gives you a 5 that's not a perfect square, but you want there to be a perfect square, what do? Well, you make it happen. So, to make it happen in this example, we're going to take the entire equation and multiply by 5. So let's see what happens there. 5 times 5x squared gives us 25x squared. 5 times negative 4 gives us negative 20x. 5 times 3 gives us 15. And 5 times 8 gives us 40. So now we have the perfect square as our quadratic term that we wanted, 25x squared. So from there, we'll take the negative 20x and split it evenly between these two spots here, negative 10x and negative 10x. And we now know that 5x times 5x equals 25x squared. And 5x times what will give us negative 10x, and that's negative 2. And the same way, 5x times what will give us a negative 10x, and that's going to be a negative 2 as well. And then we've got negative 2 times negative 2 equals, we wanted to be a plus 4, but what's there? Oh, that's a plus 15. So what are we going to do? We want a plus 4 here, but there's a plus 15 there. Well, we're going to make it happen. So to change this plus 15 to a plus 4, what do we need to do? Subtract 11 from both sides. And so now we've got 25x squared minus 20x, 15 minus 11 equals plus 4, 40 minus 11 equals 29. And now we have the plus 4 that we wanted in that corner. From there, we'll replace 25x squared minus 20x plus 4 with this product of 5x minus 2 times 5x minus 2 equals 29. And then we'll go through the same process as before, square rooting both sides, remembering the plus or minus, and then adding 2 to both sides, and then subtracting both sides by 5. I'm sorry, dividing both sides by 5. So the final answer is that x equals 2 plus or minus the square root of 29 over 5. And now we have successfully solved the quadratic equation 5x squared minus 4x plus 3 equals 8 by completing the square.